This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Wednesday, the 22nd of May. I'm Michael Groff. Nothing feels better than having the doors and windows open in late May here in Phoenix, and we're going to continue with that trend today as temperatures will remain around 20 to 25 degrees below normal. Below average temperatures continue for the rest of the week and into the weekend. What about rain chances? How long does the cooler weather last? Let's talk about it. First, we'll take a look at the almanac from yesterday. 83 degrees was the high in the valley. 57 was the morning low. Felt more like a March day than that of late May. Outside right now here just before 9 a.m. We've got mostly sunny skies in the valley. 63 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 39. Humidity 42%. The winds are from the west at 8. And the barometer is steady. Temperatures out there this morning. 48 at Thompson Peak. Otherwise, 50s and low 60s, a couple of mid-60s here in the valley. The upper air look across the country, and you can see a big trough out here in the western states. That low that moved through here earlier this week, that's now off in the plains. We've got another low dropping through the Great Basin, and that's going to be our next weather maker, bringing cool temperatures and a chance of showers and thunderstorms, especially for northern Arizona, but maybe something here in the valley, which we'll discuss in a moment. Here's the watch warning maps and wind advisories over in the high country, the eastern rim of our state, and extending into New Mexico. Red flag warnings, southern New Mexico, West Texas. A couple of flash flood watches and warnings out over the plains, but not a whole lot in terms of high impact events right now. Severe weather outlook for today. We've got the enhanced risk from Tulsa, Oklahoma, up toward Joplin, Missouri. The broader marginal risk for a good portion of the Central Plains up toward Chicago, as well as Pittsburgh, Columbus, and Cleveland, Ohio. Precipitation outlook valid through next Wednesday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts here in the valley generally a tenth of an inch or less. Spotty, I would say, with heavier totals across northern, especially northwest Arizona, southeast California, southern Nevada could get in on the rainfall as this rather vigorous system moves on in. We'll talk about the details of that now as we take a look at the models. Here we go to the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. There's that deep upper low spinning through the greater southwest. Down at the surface today, we'll have increasing winds and clouds today. Those southwesterly winds, 15 to 30, gusts to around 40 miles per hour. Could see some strong winds over the deserts of southern California, southern Nevada, northern Arizona could get out on the strong winds as well later today, with gusts locally to 40 miles per hour there as well. Blowing dust, a possibility in the open deserts. So if you're traveling on the I-8 or I-10 corridor, my usual advisory there is to be mindful of the blowing dust. It can pop up on you very quickly. We'll also see a chance of showers and thunderstorms popping up across northern Arizona this afternoon. Here in the valley, I think the majority of the day stays dry, but by this evening, we'll see a chance of showers and thunderstorms come in. Even though this system is relatively moisture starved, it has a lot of dynamic support with it and very cold air aloft. So the atmosphere will be rather turbulent. So if you get parked under one of those showers or storms, there could even be a little bit of small hail. So we'll have to be aware of that. Otherwise, highs this afternoon will be in the low to mid 70s here in the valley. And that is around 20 to 25 degrees below average. Tonight, that chance of showers and storms overnight. Lows mostly in the 50s, believe it or not. And then tomorrow, that system begins to move off to the east. A shower or storm possible in northern Arizona again. Otherwise, we're going to be mostly sunny and warmer. Highs getting back into the upper 70s to near 80. Friday, much warmer, back into the mid and upper 80s with mostly sunny skies. And then we get into the Memorial Day weekend, and it looks like a pretty glorious one. Baggy troughing will continue across the western states, and even though temperatures will be warmer than what we're seeing today, still well below average. Highs upper 80s and low 90s. The sky mostly sunny on Saturday. We'll see some clouds in here on Sunday. We've got another low dropping down the west coast. This one not nearly as potent as the one that's coming through here today, though. Still, isolated showers and thunderstorms will be possible later on in the weekend for northern Arizona and southern Nevada. But here in the valley, I think we're going to stay dry, partly cloudy, and we'll cool off by Monday. High temperatures back again in the upper 70s and low 80s. One of the nicer Memorial Days we have had around here. Tuesday, the system starts to move off to the east, and we'll see a flat ridge try to build in. Still, maybe some shortwave energy will linger, though. High temperatures back in the mid and upper 80s for Tuesday. And then here's a week from today. This is Wednesday, the 29th. And we've got a ridge building into the west. Shortwave undercutting it. Some partly cloudy skies. High temperatures back to around 90, maybe the low 90s. Then going out 10 days. This is the end of the forecast period, Friday, the 31st of May. That still looks like a short wave coming into the southwest and a ridge right along the west coast. High temperatures pretty close to normal. I'd say still a few degrees below average, but probably back toward the mid-90s if that verifies. All right, let's check out the temperatures through the period off the GFS Ensemble, staying below average all the way through the weekend and into early next week, and then temperatures gradually warm up as we get out toward June. And yes, I'm sure those triple digits will be making a return before too much longer. I mean, it's Phoenix, and we're getting into late May and early June after all. That's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Your comments, questions, and suggestions are always encouraged as well. Thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. Be safe out there and have yourselves a great Wednesday.